today. Today what we're going to be making is a 7 simple ingredient ice cream. What flavor is it going to be? Drum roll please. Chocolate. First what we need to add is 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. And one tip is you need to sift it first. The next step is to add the sugar. We are adding a 1/2 cup of white sugar. Next, we are going to add a 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar. And add a pinch of salt. Whisk all the ingredients together. Next, here comes the wet ingredients. Next, we need to add 1 cup of whole milk. After the milk, we need to add 2 cups of heavy cream. The last ingredient is a 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. We're going to whisk all the ingredients until they're dissolved. We're going to cover and refrigerate overnight. Here comes the fun part, the ice cream machine. Next, we're going to turn it on, pour the mixture in, and let it go for 20 minutes.